Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable accounts auto sync data on Samsung Galaxy. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up settings on your mobile device, and then you need to click the settings, and then here at mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this account and backup. Okay, so if you see this accounts and backup, and then you need to click, and then here at accounts and backup, and then you can see this manage accounts, and then click again, and then here at manage accounts, and then on how to enable or disable account auto sync data, and then you need to scroll down, and then you can see now at the bottom the settings auto sync data on mobile device. So on right side you can see this button if you want to enable or disable, and then click this button. So if you want to disable, and then turn off auto sync, this will reduce data usage and conserve battery power, but you need to sync accounts manually to collect the most recent informations. While this is off, you won't receive notifications about updates. All right, and then click that one. If you want to enable, then click this button here only. All right, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.